Hi guys, welcome to Kodemine. Carry here. So in this video we will understand the another storage class, that is static storage class, and we will understand here two things. One is static storage class and another thing is what is the static variables. So let's start with the program. Hash include stdio.h, and here we will mention a method that is void like function 1, right? So this is function 1 and we will write down here, and here we have a void main method where we will write down something, and we will write down a method void function 1. And what we will do here now, here we will understand what is the difference of static and a non-static variable. So static int a is equal to 0, right, and int b is equal to 0, right? And what we will do here, a is equal to 1, a plus 1, and b is equal to b plus 1, right? So that is here. So what we are doing here in this line, we are basically incrementing the value. So we are printing it out, print f value of a slash n comma a, printf f value of b %d slash n comma b. And this is our program. Let's save this partially written program, and we are going to mark it as a static storage class .c. So now we need to call this function. So how can we call this thing? Function 1, yeah, I am calling here, calling function get ch. Why? So that we can mark our screen still, say, right? And to understand this functionality, what we will do, we will call it twicely. So let first of all understand what is the job of a static variable, right? So static variable basically the scope of a local variable from a block of, in a method, a function block, right? B is a non-static variable, which means when the program start executing from here, right, from here, the scope of B will be start and it will end in this last bracket. But the scope of A is also similar, but this A will not die until the execution of the program is not completed, right? So we will see that. So that is the reason we here are trying to call this method, call this function twice. So let me save this program, the changes which we are done right now, save, then click on yes and compile. So you guys can see here 0 error, and we are trying to run this program, and you guys can see the execution. What is this? The value, first time the value of A is 1, B is 1, value of A is 2 now, but the value of V is again 1. So let's come back. So catch is here, the in first call the value of A is 1, right? A is equal to A plus 1, it's okay. and b is b plus 1, right? What happened? A is 1, b is 1, we have printed out that value, and again we come back to this line. Now what will happen when this method at first call is closed? The b variable is got destroyed, right? It got destroyed, but a was a static variable. It still in the execution, it was not destroyed, it has a life, right? It still keep the value until the execution of a program is not completed, right? So what will happen when again I call this method, the static, what will do, the value of int a is already 1, right? So when I come here on this line, a is equal to a plus 1, it means a is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2, and b again it's 0 plus 1, and the value become a become 2 and b again become 1. So that is the difference of a static variable, right? Static variable do not get die until the execution of an entire code is not completed, and the local variable or a simple variable will be die in one go. Like if we call this method from here to here, after that the local variable will be destroyed. In next call it will again start from scratch, it will again get a new memory, a new values, but in static, the static will not die unless our program is not completed. So hope you guys understand this concept of static storage classes and static variable, and whatever the static basically variable that use static storage class. So that is the reason we got a feature that the local variable which is static is not deleted until our program is not completed. So that is the benefit of that, and hope you guys are understanding this topic. If you guys have any query, any question, you guys can comment into the comment box and we will reply there. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the red subscribe button under this video, and please share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have a very good day.